Today we're going to read this story called The Great Blizzard. Okay. As Anna played the final notes, her piano teacher smiled. "Wonderful," said Miss Neal. "Thank you," Anna said. "I practice every day." Miss Neal peered out the window. "Oh my! It's snowing very hard." "I'd better go," said Anna, pulling on her coat. "Today is my birthday. I'm 10. Mama is making a cake." As Anna walked home through the falling snow, she thought the city looks like it's covered in sugar. It's beautiful. But Anna's joy soon turned to concern. Concern means she's worried. The snow was piling up. It was so hard to see where she was going. Anna tried hard not to fall. All right, I want you to make a prediction right now. Tell somebody in your house what's going to happen to Anna on her way home. Is she going to get lost? Will she find her house? Will she be able to have her birthday cake? All right, let's see what's going to happen. You can pause the video and tell somebody your prediction. Anna struggled onward. The wind blew so hard she could barely walk. Everything was blanketed in snow, even the street signs. "Where's home?" Anna cried, peering through the swirling flakes. Her apartment building was only a few blocks from Miss Neal's, but nothing looked familiar. Had she turned down the wrong street? The wind howled. Anna trudged on, hoping to spot her home. What does it mean to trudge? Trudge means you're walking through the snow slowly. "Anna! Anna!" Was that Papa's voice? "I'm here!" Anna shouted. Papa soon found Anna and scooped her up in his arms, safe. Many years later, Anna would still remember her 10th birthday. It was the same day as the Great Blizzard of 1888. The end. Is this story fiction or non-fiction? What do you think? I want you to tell me your prediction. And is this story fiction or non-fiction? All right. Bye, guys.